Oh my god, I'm finally done. Finally out of there. Oh my god, it is so stuffy in there.
Hey, Dan. How's it going?
Words cannot describe how much I hate you right now.
We made it.
Yes, I can see that.
Welcome to our hotel room.
It's a bit bland if you ask me. So, what the hell are we doing here?
Tomorrow.
What did you do?
Wheels need clean.
Oh my god.
Finally, I get to lead. I'm tired of this beluga whale dragging me around. Dang it.
Well, I wouldn't need to be here in the first place if you just did your damn job.
Oh, shut the hell up.
Nuh-uh.
The heck do you mean,
That's his flanges. They're just so darn big.
Don't you talk about my flanges like that.
That's a big old lightning bolt. There we go.